Welcome to JOAT Academy. Today, I will guide you on how to divide a circle into 12 equal parts without using a protractor. First, draw a circle with any radius. For this tutorial, I will use a radius of 2 centimeters. This is the circle. Using your T-square, draw a horizontal line passing through the center of the circle to divide it into 2 equal parts, as shown. Next, place your set square on the T-square and draw a vertical line passing through the center, as shown. Carefully drag the set square to draw the first slanted line passing through the center, as shown. Carefully turn and drag the set square to draw the second slanted line, as shown. Drag again to draw the third slanted line, as shown. Carefully turn and drag once more to draw the fourth slanted line. This is how to divide a circle into 12 equal parts without using a protractor. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video, share it, and help grow the channel. Thank you for watching. Until we meet again, keep practicing. Goodbye.